Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing suggested trends in X. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and explore the latest buzzworthy topics, we'll show you how to discover the trending content that's right for you. Let's dive right into this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Look at the magnifying glass icon and tap on it to access the search feature. Step 3. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Trends for You. This section presents a curated list of suggested trends based on your interests and the latest happenings. Step 4. Now, let's explore the suggested trends. Tap on one of the trends that catches your attention. X will instantly take you to the trending content associated with that particular trend, allowing you to stay informed and engaged with what's happening in the world. By following these simple steps, you can easily view suggested trends in X and be part of the exciting conversations that are shaping the cultural landscape. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view suggested trends in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.